Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating a Soundesign TX491 recording 8-track deck. A very nice looking unit. I've just loved the cosmetics of the Soundesign products. And so one thing I'll say is when this unit came in, I generally never test a unit without first pulling off the covers to make sure there's nothing weird inside of it. And in this case, the owner might be missing a little miniature American flag. I don't know how they managed. Presumably it was probably grandchildren who did this, and I guess it's possible to push this flag back inside there and get it all the way inside the unit. It may or may not have still been in the transport. That may or may not be the reason that it wouldn't play before. But anyway, when I removed the flag and popped the tape in, it worked. It was obviously in need of repair. It was long overdue for for routine maintenance. But it did work when I removed this little flag. So let's go ahead and replace that flag with a tape. Not too many 8-track decks have a power switch. This one does. So let's turn the power on, and we're going to pop in some Neil Sedaka in a Jim Reeves case. Okay, make sure we got both speakers. Just changing tracks a bunch of times here. Okay, we're at the end of a song there, so we'll wait. This is a good time to check the head alignment. Okay, no crosstalk between songs. Okay, switch tracks some more. Okay, we're between songs, so there we go. Okay, I'm going to hit the eject button, and this deck has a really cool soft eject. You do want to make sure that it cycles all the way before you pull the tape out, otherwise it may not accept the tape if it's not able to complete the eject cycle. And that's pretty much it. I don't recommend ever using fast forward on a 40 to 50 year old 8-track tape cartridge. That's almost sure to cause that cartridge to jam up. If you read back in the 60s and 70s, there was these magazines, Stereo Review and Hi-Fi Monthly and all that stuff, and a lot of them suggested that you store your tapes in a played condition as opposed to a rewound condition. That's because rewind and fast forward, they pack the tape quite a bit more tightly than when in play mode. So with your tape being unevenly packed, in an 8-track cartridge, the tape is actually pulled from the center of the hub, meaning that it's pulled out from under hundreds of layers of tape. It's really important that the packing be uniform. Otherwise, it's going to cause that tape to jam. 40 to 50 years ago when the tapes were new, it was a different story. Nowadays, I don't recommend ever using fast forward with an 8-track tape cartridge. So, I forgot to mention who this unit comes from. It comes from Kit, and that's a really cool first name. I'm almost tempted to say, hey, Kid, forget about paying me. Just give me your name. I love his last name, too, but because of privacy reasons, I'm not going to mention it. But this unit comes from Kit in Wilcox, Arizona. And thank you very much, Kit, for your business. And thank you guys for watching, listening. My website's in the description below. My phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks for watching, listening. We'll see you guys next time, and happy Saturday.